Passive income makes it possible to work less and earn more money. However, you must pledge money or effort up front to generate passive income. On the other hand, once all of the workings are in place, there is typically very little to no ongoing work required, and this will ensure that you are free to relax while the money pours in. That's why Robert Kiyosaki asserts that earning passive income is the key to accumulating wealth and is essential for reaching the point when one is financially independent. Sounds interesting, right? So, what are some forms of passive income you can generate? Well, let's get started. 1. Real estate. Robert Kiyosaki, the well-known author of the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, has been praising the benefits of investing in properties that generate income for a very long time. All because investing in real estate, it may give financial security while offering the opportunity for rapid growth. It is also an excellent choice for those looking to build their wealth. When you own a rental property, you give yourself more influence over your future financial independence. The rent tenants pay becomes your source of income, providing a consistent cash flow that may be put towards the payment for your mortgage and the upkeep of your property, and may even leave you with a little bit of extra cash. Moreover, the appreciation in the value of your properties over time contributes to the growth of your net worth. Investing in real estate does, however, need careful preparation and research. You must identify suitable markets, research supply and demand patterns, and make wise choices. Real estate investing also offers unique tax advantages. Your overall tax liability can be reduced by deducting some costs, such as the interest on your mortgage, property taxes, and home maintenance. Your earnings will improve even more because rental income is often subject to taxation at lower rates than those applicable to other forms of income. And even to earn more and have more potential in this venture, Kiyosaki advises using other people's money. You may be able to expand the number of residences you can buy and your purchasing power by employing creative financing options, such as obtaining a mortgage or working with investors. Real estate is a tangible asset that may provide a sense of safety. Ultimately, purchasing real estate is about more than merely acquiring a physical structure. It is about acquiring independence. The goal is to organize your life so that money works for you rather than the other way around. The goal is to leave an enduring legacy for future generations. 2. Stocks. Investing in stocks may be thrilling, similar to boarding a crazy roller coaster ride that takes you on a wild financial trip. Imagine yourself strapping up in the driver's seat as you prepare to soar through the ups and downs of the stock market. Stocks have a powerful pull when it comes to earning passive income. They represent a percentage of the ownership of a company and allow you to become a shareholder, so that you may participate in the firm's success. The catch is that not all stocks are built with the same foundation. That's where dividend-paying stocks comes in. These trustworthy companies will pay you with a steady stream of income as you navigate the financial world. Dividends are like little nuggets of gold that companies share to their shareholders as a thank you for their investment. And it is not just the income that makes dividend stocks fascinating. They also hold growth potential, adding a thrilling element of suspense to your journey. As a company expands and achieves greater success, the possibility exists that it may boost the dividend payments they provide to shareholders, so rewarding you even more richly. Hence, an enticing dynamic is produced in which the potential for your passive income to grow over time is made. However, like any other roller coaster rides, potential risks are involved. The stock market is known to be volatile, seeing both quick drops and exhilarating gains. It requires thoughtful planning, perseverance, and the capacity to function effectively in the face of uncertainty. However, dividend-paying stocks have the potential to be an exciting and rewarding instrument for achieving financial independence, provided that you are prepared to buckle up and endure the twists and turns that the market may present. Now, ever thought about being a part of an exciting journey? By hitting that subscribe button to my channel, you'll step into a world full of tips on managing your finances and planning your budget wisely. Then down below in the description lies the key to my monthly budget trackers. They're like your personal assistants helping you simplify your financial journey. So come on, hit that subscribe button and explore the trackers. Your savings account and your future self will give you a big thumbs up. 3. Bonds. The world of bonds may be a fascinating place to explore when it comes to generating passive income and reaching financial independence. They act as a romantic letter between lenders and investors. And by investing in bonds, which are fixed income assets, you become a lender and provide struggling governments or businesses a financial lifeline. And in return, they commit to making regular interest payments to you throughout the agreed upon period. There is a wide variety of different sorts of bonds to choose from, and each has its allure. For instance, there is a stability and reliability that government bonds give. Investing in the bonds of your country may give you a sense of patriotism, since it allows you to contribute to the growth of your nation while also providing a source of passive income. On the other side, the allure of the business world is that draws people to invest in corporate bonds. You can purchase bonds issued by well-known companies, which puts you in a position to profit from their success. It is the equivalent of getting access to the backstage areas of an enticing business theater. But what truly makes bonds captivating is their predictability. You do not have to worry about your financial future because you know the exact date and amount of interest you will get. So if you see consistency, the appeal of predictability, and a touch of financial magic in your investments, bonds can be the path you should dive into the most. 4. Intellectual property. Using intellectual property to make passive income may be exciting and fulfilling. Consider this. You've got a fantastic idea that might completely change a market. Your creativity has no boundaries, whether it's a good, groundbreaking idea, an engrossing book, or a memorable song. But what if I told you that your idea might also provide a reliable source of passive income in addition to having an effect? Well, in the realm of intellectual property, ideas can develop into valuable assets. When you create something unique and legally enforceable, such as patent, copyright, or trademark, you can sell it or grant others a license to use it. Let's take an example of a well-known and successful novelist. After crafting an engaging story painstakingly, putting your work out to the public opens up a world of possibilities for you. People are excitedly devouring the pages of your book, which is currently available in retailers worldwide. But the magic doesn't stop there. By retaining the rights to your intellectual property, you can grant permission to filmmakers to adapt your book into a movie or license translations into different languages. And now, you create a passive cash stream known as royalties with every book, DVD, or movie ticket that is sold or leased, and this revenue is then sent directly into your bank account. Your labor has developed from a lonely product into an asset earning income, paying you years after its initial release. The potential to grow as needed is one of the most appealing aspects of intellectual property. The impact of your idea might be significant, whether it takes the shape of a single patent that revolutionizes an entire sector, or a song that is adopted as a national anthem in many countries. 5. Online assets. In the current digital era, the concept of passive income has grown to embrace the fascinating field of online assets. Imagine a world in which you can create, advertise, and sell products and services without leaving the convenience of your own home. Online assets takes us to this fictitious world of possibilities, where companies that deal on the internet hold the secret to generating passive income. Consider opening your online store and stocking it with a wide range of unique items aimed at a certain demographic of buyers. Customers can locate what they need, make their purchases, and fulfill their orders while still making their morning coffee if they have an intuitive website and effective marketing strategies. Alternatively, delve into the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine you are a tastemaker online who utilizes a blog or a social media site to establish a dedicated following for their recommendations. When you publish educational articles and make product suggestions, you can earn money from the companies whose products and services you promote. Simply, your passion becomes a magnet for income. Moreover, the market for digital goods has developed into a lucrative one. For instance, are you considered an expert in this field? Consider developing and selling software items, online courses, or electronic publications. While other people get the rewards of your skills and knowledge, you may see the money pile up in your bank account. In the context of the internet, possibilities exist constantly and without interruption. There is an almost infinite variety of paths to take, such as dropshipping, monetizing YouTube channels, creating mobile applications, or launching a subscription box service. By utilizing the internet as a worldwide platform where creativity and innovation may thrive, you can reach a big audience hungry for novel ideas and answers. As we wrap up, what do you think about these passive income concepts? Which among them are you going to venture in? Comment down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.